Welcome to the top best. The best retractable chair is probably one of the most surprisingly versatile and essential pieces of gear you never knew you needed, transforming from a compact disc into a sturdy seat in seconds, perfect for everything from impromptu outdoor adventures and long queues to crowded concerts and even just an extra perch around the house, offering unparalleled convenience and comfort on the go. Number 5. Boreeman Upgraded Folding Stool. Engineered with a patented fish scale structure and reinforced plastic, this stool offers remarkable strength and rigidity. It can support up to 400 pounds, providing superior stability compared to other brands. Weighing just 2.54 pounds, it's incredibly light and easy to carry. The adjustable strap allows you to comfortably transport it by hand or over your shoulder, making it ideal for any adventure. Thanks to its precise fish scale design, this stool stretches and retracts smoothly in seconds. You can open and close it with remarkable ease, saving you time and effort. This versatile stool offers 12 adjustable height positions, from 2.56 to 17.72 inches. You can easily customize its height to perfectly suit any activity or user. Snap joints on its caps prevent accidental opening when closed, ensuring secure transport. This thoughtful feature makes it even more convenient to bring along for all your outdoor adventures. For your peace of mind, it comes with a 1-year warranty. If you have any questions, simply message us, and we'll ensure your complete satisfaction. What we like. This stool boasts a remarkable 400 pounds load capacity and a unique fish scale structure for enhanced durability. Its design ensures smooth and easy stretching and retracting, making setup a breeze. If you prioritize a robust and effortlessly operable stool that won't unexpectedly open, this is an excellent choice for reliable outdoor adventures. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. Number 4. CLIQ Portable Chair ClassiQ 1.0. Imagine a chair that fits in your bag like a water bottle. This compact design makes it incredibly convenient to carry, ensuring you're always ready for your next adventure. Not only is it compact, but it also sets up in mere seconds. Its tip-proof design ensures you remain stable and comfortable, no matter the terrain. This chair is incredibly versatile, perfect for any outdoor adventure or even just relaxing in your backyard. It's an essential addition to your outdoor gear. Despite weighing only 3.53 pounds, it supports up to 350 pounds, thanks to aircraft-grade aluminum and ripstop nylon. Built with double seams, it's designed to last a lifetime. Beyond your lawn, it's ideal for barbecues, picnics, beach days, and backpacking. Take it to music festivals or concerts for comfortable seating anywhere. What we like. This incredibly compact chair collapses to the size of a water bottle, making it supremely portable. It sets up in seconds, providing instant seating wherever you go. If you're constantly on the move and need a chair that's as easy to carry as a drink and ready in a flash, this one is designed for ultimate convenience. What people say. Number 3. NUMANU 2026 Upgraded Collapsible Stool with 3-in-1 Carry Bag. Introducing the NUMANU 2026 Upgraded Collapsible Stool. It weighs just 2.2 pounds, yet supports up to 620 pounds. When closed, it's compact, but expands up to 18 inches, offering a lightweight yet sturdy seating experience. Portability is made easy with its unique 3-in-1 cushioned carry bag. This innovative bag transforms into a comfortable seat cushion. It also includes a convenient storage pocket and a shoulder strap for effortless transport. Unlike many other telescoping stools, this one features a self-open prevention lock. It ensures it stays securely locked when collapsed or closed. This provides peace of mind, preventing unexpected slips. Your purchase is backed by a US-based lifetime warranty. This commitment ensures long-lasting quality and support. Simply contact the seller to utilize this exclusive benefit. This portable telescopic seat offers endless options for use. It's perfect for camping, hiking, concerts, or even DIY projects. Take it with you for convenient seating wherever you go. A portion of every sale goes towards supporting wounded U.S. Army veterans. Your purchase helps make a difference in their lives. Thank you for your support in this meaningful cause. What we like. This upgraded stool offers an impressive 620 pounds max weight capacity, ensuring robust support for all users. It comes with a unique 3-in-1 cushioned carry bag, which doubles as a seat cushion and includes storage. If you need a chair with superior weight support and appreciate thoughtful accessories that enhance comfort and portability, this model is perfectly suited for you. What people say. Number 2. Coideal Retractable Folding Stool. Discover the ultimate convenience with this innovative stool. It expands and collapses in seconds, making it incredibly easy to use. Simply twist to open and lock securely. Its height is fully adjustable, ranging from 2 to 18 inches, ensuring comfort for everyone. This versatility makes it suitable for both adults and children alike. Crafted from high-strength, environmentally friendly material, it boasts a robust cylindrical structure. With an anti-slip base and tight connecting clasps, it safely supports up to 400 pounds. Weighing just 3 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and portable. You can easily carry it, hang it on your backpack, or store it in small luggage without any burden. This versatile seat is perfect for any occasion, indoors or out. Take it camping, fishing, to a picnic, or use it in your home, office, or while queuing. What we like. Featuring an upgraded fish scale design, this stool is remarkably easy to expand and collapse with a simple twist. Its interlocking system ensures it locks firmly in place, providing a stable seat. If you value a straightforward, user-friendly design that sets up effortlessly and offers reliable stability, this option is a fantastic fit for various activities. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Cannot extract points as the source is empty. Number 1. NUMANU 2026 Upgraded Collapsible Stool. Enjoy complete peace of mind with a US-based lifetime warranty. Simply contact the seller for any support you may need, ensuring reliable assistance. Weighing just 2.2 pounds, this stool supports an impressive 620 pounds. It expands from 2.5 to 18 inches, providing a sturdy and customizable seating experience. Crafted from durable reinforced polypropylene plastic, it offers lightweight portability without compromising strength. This upgraded version is safer and more robust than previous models. Rest assured, it features a self-open prevention safety lock. This mechanism ensures it stays securely closed when collapsed, preventing unexpected slips. From camping and hiking to concerts and home projects, its uses are limitless. Take it anywhere you need a portable seat or a convenient footrest. A portion of every sale is donated to help support wounded U.S. Army veterans. Your purchase directly contributes to a noble cause, making a positive impact. What we like. This stool is backed by a US-based lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind for your purchase. It also boasts a robust 620 pounds max weight capacity and a secure self-open prevention lock. If you prioritize strong customer support and want to contribute to a good cause with a highly durable product, this choice offers both reliability and social impact. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Therefore, no positive points could be identified or quoted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.